Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Algorand. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Algorand was trying to break out the resistance of another symmetrical triangle, and now you can see that we have just left the resistance of the symmetrical triangle. But you can see that once again the price line is rejected, and if I connect another trend line here from these candlesticks, from here, then you can see that we have found another resistance line here, and therefore I would suggest to wait for the breakout from this resistance of the symmetrical triangle. You can see that we got two or three rejections here, almost one, two, and three rejections here, another rejection here, and this is the most recent rejection that is happening right now, and the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, soon it can break this triangle, and at the same time, we also have another short-term resistance here that is approximately at 20 cents. And recently you can see that this level has been breaking at the resistance here, support here, and resistance here as well. And therefore, even after breaking out this triangle, it will be really very important for the price line to break out this 20 cents resistance as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very massive breakout that has happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this very big falling wedge pattern. And you can see that after the breakout, the price line is also trying to break out this very long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And by the way, if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of May 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup or flow key, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal almost 2 days ago on 20th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this play button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me take you to the live chart of Algorand. And this is the weekly. And first of all, let me show the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that the movement is quite squeezed now inside this triangle. And by the way, previously I was showing you this support and this resistance of the triangle. And you can see that we got another rejection here. Therefore, I have connected this resistance with the candlesticks, this trend line. You can see that. We got few rejections here, few more rejections here, one more rejection here. Here we had a powerful attempt to break it out. We had a long spike, but got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And again, re-enter the triangle now. Recently, after getting bounced from the support, the price line is trying to break out the resistance of this triangle. By the way, we found the resistance here on 13th of March 2024, and after this huge drop, we found the support here on 13th of April 2024. After a complete month, we found this support of this symmetrical triangle, and now the movement is quite squeezed. Therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can break. And now, if we take a look at the conservative targets, then target for in case of breaking down, the target to the downside can be here, approximately at 1046. But in my opinion, it will be difficult for the price to break down the support of 11 cents, and even before that, we will have another very strong long-term support of 15 cents as well. And in case of breaking out the triangle, the target to the upside will be here at this long-term resistance of 30 cents. And by the way, this is a complete very strong long-term resistance zone. If we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then we can see that previously back here in the month of October 2019, from the month of October 2019 up till the month of January 2020, it has been breaking at a resistance, then again breaking at the resistance here, and for several weeks a month it has been breaking at the support here. And now after the breakdown, it is again flipped into a very strong long-term resistance. And still, you can see that recently we got rejected by this resistance here in the month of March 2024. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will need to break out this resistance that starts from 25 cents and goes to 30 cents. And by the way, here on this 7 days time frame chart, we have already broken out this very big falling wedge pattern as well. And from this low to this high, you can see that it rallied more than 302%, but got rejected by this resistance here and here. And now, after breaking out this triangle, once the price line will be able to break it out, then there will be a very high probability that the price line may also try to break out this resistance on once again. At the same time, Algorand is also trying to break out this very long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. And once it will be able to break out this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud, this red cloud, then it will be flipped into a long-term support. Now, if you take a look at the technical and final target for this very massive breakout from this falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of the wedge. That can be between $2.60 to $3. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Bye.